Good morning, students. Good morning, everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn a new topic. So, Prachi, I have given you two numbers. You have to identify that which is the bigger number, smaller number. Okay, Prachi. So, can you tell me, Prachi, is 14, 1, 4, 14. The second number is 3, 8, 38. 14 and 3, 8, 38. So, you tell me which is the smaller number in that. I have written on the whiteboard. Okay, there is the number is 14 and second number is 38. So, in that which number is smaller? Please tell me, Prachi. Yes, Prachi.
30.
Smaller. I ask you smaller. The two number is given to you. Number 14 and number 38. In that which number is smaller?
40.
14 number is smaller. 14 number is smaller. Yes. 14 number is small number than the 13 number. And which number is bigger?
38.
Yes, 38 is bigger than the 14. 38 is bigger than the 14. Correct. So, do you know why you people are small kids, like small baby, while you are small baby, your height will be same like today's height. आज के हाइट के जैसे ही तुम लोग की हाइट थी क्या तभी? यस यस स्वरा, या अनम्यूट यू स्वरा?
Yes, teacher.
स्वरा, आप जब स्मॉल बेबी थे, छोटे बेबी थे, तभी आपकी हाइट अभी वही थी क्या? सेम हाइट इज देयर?
No, teacher.
No. While you grow up, that time your height should be grow up. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Grow. It is your height small to growing up. Correct or not?
Yes, correct.
Yes. So same way we going to learn today smallest to biggest, small to bigger, small to bigger. The number, if the number is small, so how the number is grow up, how the number is continue in growing up, or what we call the numbers are increase. The numbers are increase. So today we going to learn smallest to biggest, smallest to greatest, smallest to largest. So same way we can call ascending order. What we going to learn? Ascending order. Ascending means what? Smallest to greatest, small number to great number, small number to big number. What we call? Small number to big number. And descending order, what we call? The big number to small, biggest to small. So today we're going to learn ascending and descending order. So I'll show my screen. I share my screen with you. Ascending and descending order. Everyone look at on the screen. See, the screen is there. Here is the smallest to largest. Smallest to largest, what we call smallest to largest means what? It's a ascending order. Smallest to largest. See, I'll show you. Here is the small number. 1 number, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. It means the small number to order. It is called a ascending order. मतलब स्मॉल नंबर से अगर हम लोग बिग नंबर की तरफ जाते हैं, इट इज कॉल्ड असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. इट इज कॉल्ड असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. And while we come to the big number to small number, while we come to the big number to small number, it is called a descending order. See, here is the number 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it is bigger to smaller. It is called the descending order. It is called a descending order. Ascending order means what? Smallest to largest. Small number to large number. Small number to big number. It is called a ascending order. And descending order means what? Big number to small number. Keep it in your mind. Whenever we write ascending order, तो सबसे small number हमें क्या है वो search out करना है. We have to search the small number. Then number should be little bit big, and the biggest number. It is called the ascending order. Small number to large number we will go. That is the ascending order. And descending order means what? The number is bigger. We are having the number is bigger. The bigger to small content. We will come to the bigger to small number. It is called a descending order. Okay.
Aradhya Pandey,
I will show you a ascending order. Okay, students. So I will show a small video. You can see the video. In that video, we are going to see a ascending and descending order. And how the ascending and descending order will
ascending and descending order. Let us meet Rahul. He has to climb 10 steps which are numbered 1 to 10. Rahul starts from step number 1. He climbs on to step number 2, then to step number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally to step number 10. Did you observe that as he climbs up each step, he is ascending or moving to a greater number than the previous number? Thus, we say that when the numbers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest, they are in the increasing or ascending order. Here is our friend Rahul again. He is on step number 10 and has to come down to step number 1. He comes down to step number 9, which brings him to a lower level than step number 10. Then to step number 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and finally to step number 1. Did you observe that as he comes down each step, he is descending or moving to a smaller number than the previous number? Thus, we can say that when numbers are arranged from the greatest to the smallest, they are in the decreasing or descending order.
Increase. Number is increase. Is smallest to greatest number. Numbers are increase in smallest to greatest number. It is called the ascending order. And descending order means what? The numbers are decreased. The numbers are decreased. The bigger number to smaller number. So numbers are decreased. It is called a descending order. Ascending, it means it's the increase. And numbers, those who are decreased, it is called a descending order. Okay. Increasing number, we will call ascending order. Decreasing number, we will call descending order. Okay. So I'll show a small video of descending and ascending order. So in that, I hope everyone understand the ascending order means what and descending order means what. So let me see how to solve the ascending order and descending orders sum. So here we can see it means it is a Rahul. Rahul is increase their steps one by one. So it is an increase. It's a increase. Numbers are increase. So it is called the smallest to largest. The small number to large number he will reach. It is called the ascending order. It is called the ascending order. And the Rahul, if the Rahul are decreasing there, it means it is come down. So it is largest to smallest. It is called a descending order. Okay, so let me solve the ascending order and descending order sums. So in our second standard, we know already 3 digits number. Everyone know the 3 digits number. So we can start our ascending or descending order with the 3 digit also and the 2 digit also. Firstly, we can start with the 2 digit and then we go forward to the 3 digit numbers. So okay. So students, here are the some numbers are there. Different numbers. They are not same numbers. They are totally different numbers are there. Okay. So we have to arrange that number in ascending order or descending order. Okay. We will see the ascending order. Okay. This is the ascending order. So firstly, we can see ascending order numbers. Okay, students. These things we will going to see first. This ascending order and ascending order we will see first. Okay. So here is the ascending order. In that number is given to us. What number is given to us? You can see there is the 40 number. 40 number is there. 23 number is there. 25 number is there. 32 number is there. And 38 number is there. So in that numbers, all numbers are different. All numbers are different. So we have to see in that which is the smallest number in that. सबसे small number कौन सा है इसमें हम लोग को search out करना. We have to find out the which is the smallest number. Because why we search for smallest number? Because while we solve the ascending order, we should go to smallest number to biggest number. Smallest to largest number. So firstly we can see find out the smallest number. Okay. So here are the 40 number is there. 23 number is there. 40. It means 4 tens are there. 23 it means 2 tens and 3 units are there. 3 ones are there. 25 it means 2 tens and 5 ones. 32 it means 3 tens and 2 ones are there. 38 it means 3 tens and 8 ones are there. Okay. So 40 is the 4 tens. So I think it is the biggest number. 38 also a biggest number. 32 also a biggest than this 2 tens. So here is the 2 tens. 2 tens and 3 ones are there, and here is the 2 tens and 5 ones in there. So both the tens are same, but we can see the ones. So here is the 3 ones and here is the 5 ones are there. So in that, which is the small number, 3 or 5? Obviously 3 numbers are small, so it means that there is the 23 number is the smallest number. So 23 is the smallest number. So after 23 what will come? We know after 23 24 is there. Then 24 there is the 25 number will come. Okay. So after 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31, 32, 30, 31, 32 is there. So we can write here 32. So in that, after 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So here is 38 is available. So we can write it 38. Then last is 40. So this way we can understand the smallest to largest number. So which is the smallest number over here? 23 is the smallest. 23, 25, 32, 38 and largest number is 40. So this way we are going to solve the sums of ascending order. This way we are going to solve the sums of ascending order. So I unmute one of the students. That student will tell me which is the smallest number over here. I unmute Navya Mishra. I unmute you.
Yes, teacher.
Navya. Okay, Navya. Here I show you the ascending order. Ascending order will go. How we can find out the ascending order? How can we solve the ascending order? Ascending order के लिए हम लोग को क्या करना है? Big number से small number के पास जाना है या small number to big number? We have to find the numbers.
Small to biggest.
Yes, ascending order means was smallest to biggest number. Okay, we should go smallest to biggest. So, Navya, in that sum, here is the sums are there. I already solved it. Then again, you have to tell me in that which is the smallest number.
The smallest number is 23.
Yes, 23 is the small number. Okay. So which number increase by the 23? 23 से कौन सा increasing number है?
25.
Yes, 25. Then what number after 25? Increasing after 25 from here number.
32.
32. Very good. After 32, which one
38.
number is increasing? 38. Very good. And then which is the biggest number?
40.
The biggest number in that? 40. So here is we can see 23 is the smallest number in that and 40 is the biggest number in that. So in ascending order we should go smallest to biggest. We should reach smallest number to biggest number. Understand? Now in next sum, next example is there. I unmute one of the student. That student will tell me how to solve that sum. Samruddhi.
Teacher.
Yes, Samruddhi Kardak or Samruddhi K. Who is Samruddhi K? Please unmute yourself.
Samruddhi Kadam.
Okay, Samruddhi Kadam. Can you tell me? Here is the some numbers are there. 3, 21, 28, 12, 18. Just read out that number. You can read out that number. आप read करो Samruddhi.
Okay. 3.
Yes.
80.
Then कौन है? 3.
80.
No. Read करो number. Samruddhi, you can read. Sequentially, you can read. सिर्फ read करो पहले number.
3.
Yes, this is a 3. This one.
21.
Next.
28.
Then next.
12.
Then next.
18.
18.
18.
कौन सा number? 18. Okay. So Samruddhi, for solve the ascending order, for solving the ascending order, we should come to know which is the smallest number over here. We should know which is the smallest number over here. So here are the which are the smallest number in that number. In numbers में सबसे small number कौन सा है? Can you tell me which is the smallest number in that?
3.
Yes, very good. 3 number is the smallest number. So we should write 3 first. Okay. And after 3, which one number are increasing in that? In that number, which one is increasing number?
12.
12. Very good. Then after 12,
18.
18. After 18,
21.
Very good. After 21,
28.
28. Okay. So here are the smallest number is 3 and the biggest number is 28. So we should, while we solve the ascending order, we should go smallest number to biggest number. We should go smallest number to biggest number. Understand? So these are the steps to go ascending order. Ascending order, it means what? We should increase the number. We should increase the numbers. Everyone understand ascending order? Okay. So now I unmute another student. That student will tell me how to solve the descending order. First I'll solve first. Then I explain. I ask another student. So students over here, these are the descending order. These are the descending order. In that descending order, we going to solve the numbers. In this we can see the number should be biggest to smallest number. It means the decreasing number. सबसे big number हमें ढूंढना है. We have to find out the big number. Then we come down and till to the small number. Descending order means biggest to smallest number. Greatest to smallest number. I unmute one of the student. That student will tell me what is mean by descending order. Mansi, I unmute you, Mansi.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Mansi, बताओ descending order means what? What is descending order?
teacher आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
What is mean by descending order, Mansi?
Yes.
मानसी, अपने घर का आवाज कम करो पहले, बैकग्राउंड का, तो टीचर का आवाज सुनाई देगा.
Okay, I unmute another student. Your background sound is coming, so you can just
Yes.
see your background sound. Then I will call out another time. Next, I ask. Wait a second. That student name is Arohi Desai. I unmute you, Arohi.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Arohi. Can you tell me what is mean by descending order? आरोही, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर क्या होता है?
Biggest and smallest.
बिगेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट नहीं, बिगेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट. बिगेस्ट नंबर से स्मॉल नंबर तक हम लोग जो डिक्रीज होके आते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. इट मींस वी शुड फाइंड आउट फर्स्ट बिगेस्ट नंबर. सबसे बड़ा नंबर हमें स्मॉल नंबर की तरफ जाना है. इट इज कॉल्ड अ descending order. So now Arohi, we can see over here, just read out that number. Which is this number? कौन सा number है ये? Yes, Arohi, just read out this number. Arohi, why you mute yourself, beta? I unmute you again. Read this number. Arohi. Okay. So let it be. We will next. Pragati Kamble, I unmute you, beta.
Yes.
Just read this number. Which is this number?
28.
Which is this number, Pragati?
28.
28. This number?
43.
This number?
35.
Next number?
26.
And then another number?
34.
Okay. So in that, can you tell me which is the biggest number? While we solve the descending order, we should take out the biggest number. में से बिग नंबर कौन सा है मुझे बताओ. Which is the
43.
biggest number?
43.
Yes. Yes, very good. 43 is the biggest number. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? 43 नंबर. So 43 से छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? Which is the smallest number than the 43?
35.
Very good. Well done. Which is the smallest number than the 35? 35 से छोटा नंबर कौन सा है?
28.
No, just observe properly, beta.
34.
Yes, 34. 34 से छोटा कौन सा है अभी?
26.
28 किधर गया फिर?
28.
हाँ, तो 28 से छोटा कौन सा है?
34. 26.
Yes, which is the smallest than the 28? That is the 26. So here is the biggest number is the 43 and smallest number is the 26. So while we solve the descending order, it means we should go the biggest number to smallest number. We should reach biggest number to small number. It means it is called a descending order. It is called also a decreasing order. Okay. So while we solve the descending order, to keep it in your mind, we should go the biggest number to smallest number. And ascending order में क्या होता है उसका उल्टा, smallest number to biggest number. Understand everyone? Okay. Now unmute another
child.
student will tell me
जानवलकर.
example.
चेतना
Okay.
टीचर कॉल पार्थी जानवलकर. उसकी मम्मी शायद उसको मार रही. शी इज क्राइंग. फ्रॉम व्हेन आई एम वाचिंग इन दिस वीडियो someone is beating.
Yes, Parthi. In that screen, the next sum is there. Sum. You have to read that number first. What is this number?
50.
Parthi, just read that number. Yes.
50.
This one number. ये number कौन सा है?
40.
Which
48.
48. 48. Then next.
43.
Next.
16. 46.
16. 166. Then 46. Then what is there?
40.
What is there?
40.
14. Parthi, can you tell me in that all numbers, which number is the biggest number? Why we search out biggest number? Why we find out biggest number? Because we have to solve the descending order. For descending order, we should find out first biggest number. Okay. So which is the biggest number in that, Parthi?
48.
48. Very good, Parthi. In that there is a 48 is the biggest number. So we should write first 48 number. So can you tell me what is the smallest number? Which is the small number than the 48? 48 से small number कौन सा है? Which is the small number than the 40?
46.
Yes, Parthi. Very good. 46. Which is the small number than the 46? 46 से small number क्या?
43.
43. Very good. 43 से small number कौन सा है? Which is the small number than the 46? 43. Yes, Parthi.
16.
16. And which is the small than the 16?
14.
14. Very good. So this way we going to see the biggest number to reach towards the small number. It is called a what, Parthi? It is called a
Descending.
descending
Shreyash
order.
Yadav with the scale. Shreyash Yadav from second C. From when you are playing with the scale.
Next sum we have to solve. Just read that sum. Read that sum. Which is sum is there? Read that number, Prachi. 15,
15, 21, 42, 31, 50.
Okay, Prachi, we have to solve the descending order. So we find out the biggest number. Which is the biggest number in that?
50.
इसमें नंबर है 50. और अभी we should reach towards the small number. हमें small number की तरफ जाना है. So which is the small than the 50? 50 से छोटा नंबर कौन सा है?
42.
हाँ? 42. Very good. Which is the small number than the 42?
31.
31. Very good. What is the small number than the 31?
21.
Very good. Which is the small number than the 21?
15.
Very good. Very good, Prachi. Everyone clap for Prachi. So like this way, Prachi, we come to know, every students, we come to know the descending order. We should go biggest number to small number. We should reach towards the small number. It is called a descending order. So I hope everyone understand the ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means what? We should go smallest number to the biggest number, reach towards the biggest number. It is called the ascending order. Keep it in your mind, students. Ascending order, it means what? We should start from small number to end till end the big number. It is called ascending order. It means the increasing number. And descending order means what? We should start from the big number and go down to the small number. It is called decreasing order, also called a descending order. So I hope everyone understand ascending order and descending order. So let me solve the sums of ascending order and descending order.